What is up, everybody? We have a MotoStars video with some crashes and close calls. Let's take a look at them and see what we can learn from them, to be quite honest. All right, we're going 100 miles an hour. It's 162 kilometers an hour. That's about 100 miles an hour. Going super fast, higher than the flow of traffic. MotoStars is talking, so I'm going to talk over them. Hey, we're doing some cone weaves. Yeah, boy, those hurt. At that speed, that will hurt, okay? So we're doing some fun little cone weaves here and there at high speed. Guys, if you want 10% off, you can do some cone weaves at slow speed with the Smart Rider drills. You only have to set up the cone once, and you have 24 drills. So you literally set the cones up once, 24 drills. I sell it with a cone kit, and at the same time, look how quick it's going to be. I'm going to pop it up on my phone right here. You get a digital version too. Okay, you get a digital version too with QR codes that shows everything in the physical and on the digital. Takes you to a video of me doing it. Try to beat my time. Don't do it here at 100 miles an hour. Don't do it. Not here. That's stupid. 10% off, link in the description. Because we're doing it here. Our buddy's having some fun. It's intrusive thoughts. Intrusive thoughts. But right here, that... They might be a little rubber, they might, whatever, but go ahead and walk up to one. Just walk up to one and smack it. It's going to hurt your hand. Now imagine 100 miles an hour and hitting your foot. It could break your toes, break your ankle. It could break your tib fib very easily. Thankfully, he didn't crash, but that is painful. And I got like the light in my face. Yeah, follow if you love motorsports. Oh, I'm not going to follow that guy. Oh, one of the beauties of having a dual sport adventure bike is that curbs don't matter. So if you're a woman, just like you want to get a truck or SUV because, hey, curbs, whatever. If you're going to ride and you're a woman, get yourself an adventure bike. It's like a truck. You can run over curbs all you want. Just kidding. Don't do that. All right, here we go. Oh, I don't like being behind trucks like this. Little rocks will fall off and hit you. Crack a windshield. I had my windshield cracked twice in like 2 weeks. Pissed me off. Anyways, somebody's going to come out and do that. Idiot. Got very lucky. 360 situation awareness is very important. Very important. Good job, though. Andy Loop. Nice little turn right here. Okay, we're going to get through here. We got another one here. I love this road. We're not going to go fast because we don't know how sharp this next one's going to be. There's the low side. So went a little bit the same speed on a sharper turn, which requires slower speed. So start modulating that hand. Okay, so newbie mistake. Having too much fun. It is what it is. Thankfully, the bike is going to do well because that's a nice little bike to have some fun. Okay, we're going to speed it up, I guess. I'm just going to let this play. Just kidding. All right, here we go. TikTok. All right, so car's coming out. Swerve. Good job with the swerve. Handled it. Got himself out of there.
The situation.
Very good.
He just couldn't understand.
Very good.
Who was trying to blame him and ended up.
That's right, Smee. Get a dual sport. F that CBR. All right, so don't get yourself in a bad spot by speeding up. Now we have a sharp left turn coming up here. Good job slowing it down. Not a big deal. Moving on. Okay. Where are we at? Well, it says Michigan. Okay, so we're in Michigan. Near Michigan Avenue. I feel like I stopped. I feel like I've... Please keep playing, keep playing, keep playing, keep playing, keep playing. I feel like I've been here. Is this next to MSU? I don't know. No. Doesn't look like it. Passenger. Look at the passenger. Mwah. Yeah. That is like, instead of flipping somebody off, that's like doing the thumbs down. That I always tell people to, like, don't flip somebody off, do the thumbs down. Now I want to say, don't do the thumbs down. Just blow them a kiss. Blow them a kiss. She's doing that as being, she's passive aggressive here. That's what I love. I can speak passive aggressive. That is good. It's like calling another dude, okay, buddy. Can somebody close the blinds? The blinds are like in my face.
Why are you blaming me for that in front of me? Okay, well, I didn't know you said sorry.
Oh, don't throw water. Don't throw water.
How am I supposed to know?
The kiss was good enough. The kiss was good enough.
Right away. You're the one that hit me. The up. You're the one.
Free car. Hey, car wash. If you're on a motorcycle, don't take your motorcycle to one of these car washes because one of those kids are going to burn their hands.
Almost hit me. Learn how to drive.
Oh, come on. Don't do that in front of the kids. Come on. Grow up. All right, here we go. Nice little road. I love this. Dangerous. No escapes to the left or the right if a car kind of comes over. It says slow. Okay, so slow it down. Crest of the hill. What's around this corner? Can't see, and now we can a little bit. What's around this? Now we can see, and we have a big tractor coming out. Good job we weren't going fast because that would suck if we went fast and hit that tractor. So good job slowing it down. Paid attention to the signs. All right, so we're coming through here. We have vehicles coming around the corner. Not a big deal. We're not going super fast. We have a sharp turn for us. Navigated it pretty well. Oh, intersection. Good job with the brakes. And then changed it up to swerving a little bit to the right. So handled that. Scary. Thankfully, that car stopped. All right, well, opening weekend for deer, and I get one. Oh, no. Here comes a deer, everybody. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Deer. Okay, I was off a little bit. Try to time it. All right, here we go. What the heck are we riding?
Situation that shows how important it is to stay focused when riding in a group and how even a small misunderstanding can lead to some unpleasant outcomes.
Yeah, small misunderstanding, paying attention. This is why we talk to each other, on our Cardo Pack Talk edges. Talk to each other. Why would he stop in the middle of the road? Nobody knows. Damn it, Jeffrey, you're not invited to the group rides anymore. You act like an idiot and you look like a clown. All right, here we go. Rides and reflections. Intersections. A roundabout is an intersection. We have to pay attention for anybody merging. White Toyota, my mirror rapidly approaching. Okay, so he's doing good 360 situational awareness. Seeing that the person's on his butt. Not much you can do, but watch out for that kind of stuff because you're focused heavily on the back of you, what's in front of you. And there's a lot of text up on the screen, but nobody cares about that because I'm talking and I'm important. So we're going to watch out for this. Okay, what's going to happen? We don't know. Maybe if I read the text, we would. Okay, we moved over, allowed them to get in. There's still going to be D-bags about it. But who knows? Real quick. One's if they're on your butt and honking the horn because you have a flat tire and you don't know. One's if you're literally on fire and you don't know. Okay? So just be like, hey, is there something going on? No? Then what the heck's your problem? Double check yourself first. Yeah, you got a camera. Nice little action camera on the side of your face. Okay, Gray Audi beeps at him presumably because you can see him do. Okay, road rage. What do we got here? It's an older Motostars video. Oh, D-bag. He basically hit your mirror. You know, we don't like motorcycle riders, boom, hitting mirrors, but he straight up hit your mirror. Yeah, that sucks. No broken bones. Okay. He is hurt. That was I don't like people. Okay. Yeah. We don't need. For some reason, the taxi driver overtook me and had drunk passengers that were hanging out of his car and shouting at me, so they were coming to a stop. I overtook him, so the drunk men didn't get out. Okay. Not a big deal. Drunk people are fun until they get angry and then just realize that they're off balance. So if you do a nice little side kick, this is my leg, nice little side kick to the side of their knee, collapses them pretty easily. So don't worry about it. Just start leg kicking people. Bah, bah, bah. and then take out one of them that's on the ground. Or just run. It's up to you. All right, here we go. Riding. Oh, somebody got hit by a bus up ahead. Did you guys see that?
No.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, there it is. What do we do? How are you going to rescue this person?
No.
Okay, let's get that sun out of my face. How do you rescue this person? Probably, is there a helmet? Please wear a helmet. Okay, he's got a helmet. Good. So he's starting to reboot. The brain probably. A lot of pain. Strap in your helmet. You see how your helmet's not going to do anything for your lower face if you don't strap it in? There's some blood on the ground. So his teeth probably got broken. Nose maybe broken. Strap it in. Sad music.
Brian 636 would
Riding-
be proud.
Brian 636 would be proud. Yeah, boy. Riding with nothing on and riding with 4 wheels.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh, geez.
Whoa.
Whoa. Yeah, boy. Show it. It was taken to the hospital, got done, and all he had was bruises. The 4-wheeler's racks were bent, the arm was bent, probably a bent tie rod. Wear a helmet. Exactly. Show, don't tell. Video basics. All right, here we go. Dragon Rider Productions. Anybody gonna want to come out like a pedestrian? Oh, snap. Lady, you got stuck in the middle of the road. You need to hurry it up. You need to start when it says start going. Don't start when you have like 3, 2, 1, or it has a stop hand sign. You're gonna get stuck out there. You are so lucky you did not get hit. Dragon. All right. Yeah, here we go. Speeding. 140, 150. Oh, this might be miles per hour. No. Oh, it might be miles per hour. There's no way. 200 miles an hour? You think that's the case? It's still, if that's kilometers, that's 120. That's probably kilometers an hour. I don't know. Anyways, somebody cuts us off. Not a big deal. Whatever. Oh, you get mad because you're speeding? You're speeding and you're getting mad at other people for switching lanes that they can't see you? Ding dong ling. There we go. Moving on. State trooper attacks biker. All right, so we're getting to a stoplight. We're hanging out with a stunt rider. You see the gas tank. It's nice and flat because he likes the stunt. There it is. What is the cop going to do? What is the cop going to do? He's going to take one of our keys. Oh, nope. You guys were probably doing something. You guys were probably doing some reckless riding.
Yo, what the bro? Yo.
Reckless riding. So you got pulled over. You're getting stopped.
Sit back
Did
on
you
the
see
bike.
me commit a crime?
I got reports of you.
I don't give a. Did you see me commit?
There's no point in arguing with the cops on scene.
Did you?
The time for arguments is in court.
You really? I want.
Okay? That's really it, because now you're being disorderly. Now you're going to rack up new things.
You.
It's better to argue in court.
I didn't do a. You got no right, bro.
You're being detained. You're not being arrested yet.
Key if you want it.
You're allowed to be detained. Just kind of
My key if you want it.
take it for what it is.
I want my key if you want my.
I recently, because I posted something similar to this a while back, and it's like a cop took the key. And I guess there was a court case a while ago or whatever where, because people are saying it's a Fourth Amendment right, you know, search and seizure and all this other stuff when you're not allowed to take somebody's property. At the end of the day, like that, they're allowed to. They won the court case where they can take your key. So if they take your key, they take your key. It's not a big deal. Okay, it's not a big deal. Just what's going on? Just be cooperative. Be like, hey, what's going on? If you did nothing wrong, you're not going to act like a child.
See me commit a crime. That's
You're just creating more problems.
break the law.
Where are you supposed to be parked?
I
Are
didn't
you
break.
parked behind the stop line?
No, you
broke the
just did
law.
that.
You
You
broke the
just
law.
did that.
You
It's
broke
on
the law.
video.
I'm fine with it on video.
Yeah.
And I'll seize it for evidence. This
No, you
didn't
won't.
break any crimes.
No, I didn't break.
Where are you supposed to stop? You're supposed to stop behind that first line. So technically, you are not following the traffic law. So technically, I could just go ahead and do my probable cause and whatever. Love it.
Fine. You didn't see it.
Sit
You're
down.
too wise.
All right, you know what?
He's
Put
done.
your hands behind your back.
No.
He's done.
Put your hands behind your back.
So as soon as the cop says sit, like as soon as the cop raises his voice, he turns into a little boy. He was like, I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. What are you talking about? I want to see that again.
No, I didn't break a crime. You didn't see it.
Sit
You're
down.
too wise.
All right, you know what? Put your hands behind your back.
See how he walks away as soon as he gets yelled at back? Guys, this whole thing, the motorcycle rider, not going to name names, this motorcycle rider is probably a bully. Likes to yell over people. I'm just going to say it. Likes to yell over people, tries to get his way. And the moment, this is what bullies can't handle, the moment somebody says something back at them, fights back, or whatever it is, I'm a victim now.
Where are you supposed to be parked?
I didn't
Are you parked
break.
behind the stop line?
No, you
broke the
just
law.
did that.
You
You
broke the
just
law.
did that.
You
It's
broke
on
the law.
video.
I'm fine with it on video.
Yeah.
And I'll seize it for evidence. This
No, you
didn't
won't.
break any crimes.
No, I didn't break a crime. You didn't see it.
Sit
You're
down.
too wise.
All right, you know what? Put your hands behind your back.
No,
Put your hands behind your back. You're getting detained.
I didn't.
Getting detained.
Dude, get my helmet off.
You're getting
Woff.
Let me get
Stop
my
resisting.
I'm not.
reason why he's getting detained.
I'm what?
Being disorderly.
Claustrophobic.
I'm claustrophobic, wearing a full face helmet with full gear on. You see how they just kind of flip it? You see how they just kind of flip it? Dude, just control your emotions. That's what adults do.
Bro,
Where? Where? Yeah, you were stopped before the light turned green.
bro, I'm claustrophobic.
Took off.
I'm
All
claustrophobic.
right, dude.
Who's the
That's
other guy that
great.
Took off?
I can't breathe.
Are we doing the I can't breathe thing? Come on, dude.
How do
I
take
can't
it off?
breathe.
Relax.
No, get the thing off. I've been saying it in 2 minutes.
You need to.
I'm claustrophobic.
Relax.
Please get my helmet off.
Relax.
I can't, bro.
Relax.
It's undone. Get it the off my head. Get it
All
off.
right. Someone.
Bro, are you kidding me?
Know this guy?
Jesus Christ, dude. I'm freaking the out. No, no. Undo me.
Stop moving around.
Bro.
I don't know.